Having trouble finding Levine homes for sale? I'm David Baker, a HomeSmart realtor who specializes in the Levine area. I've leveraged technology in your favor to help you find all Levine homes for sale and making sure that the information provided is the most up-to-date. The last thing anybody would want to spend time online searching for a Levine home for sale, only to find that most of the homes for sale in your search are already sold or already under contract. My IDX search is the most accurate Levine homes for sale search tool you can find. Actually, it was made and it is maintained by the same folks who maintain our multiple listing service, which is what we as realtors in the area use to find and list homes. This is a tool that I make readily available to my clients to help with their Levine homes for sale search. It's easy to use and up to date. What more could you want? Once you have selected some of the right Levine homes for sale, it is time to set appointments and view them. As mentioned, I am a local specialist, both working and living in the Levine area. I would like to help you find the right home for your needs, so call or request a showing at your convenience. Enjoy your Levine homes for sale search, and I look forward to hearing from you.